I will talk about how can you select permission profiles on your AnyDesk app. We go to figure out the selection or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on security and come to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you come here to permissions profiles, you click on it, and here can you select if you want to add default on screen sharing or full screen. I'm going to click here on screen sharing here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here can you just select it here in this list. Here can you select this permissions here, or here click on enable here accesses for accesses, then you click here on OK. So then here you set your password and here select it, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.